In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync two Airtable bases. Airtable is an incredibly versatile platform, perfect for managing databases with ease. Let's get started with syncing two of your bases, whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, keep your data updated across multiple teams, or just trying to make your life easier. First, head over to Airtable's website. You can do this by typing Airtable into your search bar or going directly to airtable.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with all your current bases and workspaces. Next, make sure to click on Continue to access your base overview. You'll notice a list of your projects and databases here, and from this list, choose the table you want to work with by simply clicking on it. It will then open in a new view. This is where things start to get interesting. Look for the Share button on your table's interface, which also includes the option for syncing. It may be tucked into a menu, so keep an eye out for it. Click Share and Sync, then select Sync Data to another base. This action prepares your table for the syncing process. Now here's a crucial part. You'll need to choose the specific view you want to sync. So, when you select Sync this view, you're telling Airtable exactly what data you want to share. This helps keep everything clean and avoids unnecessary or confidential information from transferring. Moving forward, you'll be asked to choose a workspace where you'd like the sync to happen. Airtable might present multiple workspace options, especially if you manage several projects. Pick the one that corresponds to the team or task you're syncing for better organization and efficiency. Then you'll be prompted to choose a base within that selected workspace. Again, make sure to select the appropriate base you intend to sync with. Finally, with your workspace and base chosen, hit Create Table. What this does is generate a new table in the destination base with the data from your source view. Airtable takes care of the rest, seamlessly syncing your data so it's accessible from both ends. And there you have it. Two Airtable bases, perfectly synced and ready to enhance your productivity. Remember, keeping your data synchronized not only saves time, but ensures that everyone has up-to-date information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in making the most out of Airtable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.